all the things that we contemplated and did together. That is why it was important when I was running for this office to serve you as a very important notice of what I will do. Yeah. And it was a very, very friendly and frank discussion. He had a threat of possible strike and something. And I have noticed, you may strike all you want, but for a subsidy will be gone. And today, to the benefit of our great country, we'll soon publish the utilization of what it is. But I listen to people, they say common man and all of that. Who are the people receiving the salaries in the local government administration? Are they not common men and women receiving salary regularly at the state level? Are they not common men and women? The ordinary people receiving salary at the federal government regularly, and it affects all the market women around us, including your wives. Yes, the economy is not a church play. It's a system of financial engineering and research that we press. And I want to thank you for the cooperation and collaboration, the understanding. But I'm glad you are seeing the effect of being able to find funding for long-term projects. Lagos-Ibadan Road, Abuja, Kaduna, Abuja, Kano, and Sokoto, Badagry, and the highways, and many other road networks. It's all for the good of us and the good of our economy and the safety of our people. And equally, the introduction of compressed natural gas. Well, I will appeal to you, we will do more, we will encourage you, but ask your drivers to let it trickle to the commuters too. Because whatever benefit that is coming from CNG is going to in the pocket of truck owners. It's not spreading as fast as I would like it, but it should spread. The refineries that you mentioned is going to come back to work.
Double clapping.
We're just building a very firm reset and structural reworking of the economic of it. Ordinary flame and the smoke of refinery doesn't mean that it's working until it's profitable and it yields the value for which it is built. I'm not a man who go looking back and everything, because I've accepted the asset and liability of my predecessor, no matter what has happened in the years past. It's my responsibility now as the president to fix it, make it work for the largest common value of our population. I take responsibility for that, and I'm going to do it. Thank you for your inspiring, recognition of partnership and effort that you are doing. And I will just still appeal to all of you to let us work diligently and passionately on this democracy. You all work together with us to bring about the democracy. Democracy is about celebration of freedom and opportunity that must be cherished by all of us. It's not easy to manage a democratic regime full of twists and turns, hills and valleys, and all of that. But it's through perseverance, endurance, and good determination that we can bring about, a relief of a newborn baby in a pregnancy. You see the joy of life it is. The motherhood is painful, but the joy is everlasting and long. And I promise you, you will enjoy a better Nigeria.
And we have an award of a flag for you to be the patron of petroleum.